Hey there, friends. Happy Saturn's Day to you. I hope that you're having a great Saturday wherever you are, whatever you're doing. I hope there's joy in your heart because a lot of times there's like joy not in the world. The world just seems to be it's you look at it and you just don't see a lot of joy, but the thing is that you can always put joy back into that world. You can always have a joyful attitude, and no matter what is happening on the outside, remember that the inside is really where it's at, my friends. I believe my phone's gonna go off. I've got one, two, three, 5 new packs of Chippy stickers for you guys. Remember, these are, somebody pointed out very wisely, I think it was Miss R. Miss R said that these are like tiny mosaics, and they really are. I put them together very much like somebody would put together a mosaic, and thanks, Miss R, because that's kind of exactly what they are. So we're going to go through these, and remember, they are $7. They have strips of double stick tape on the back, so all you do to use them is take the double stick tape off. If you want to do a lot of reinforcing, then hit this baby with some tacky glue, and you've got a very fun element to work with, whether you choose to use it on a canvas, a card, in your journal, in your art journal. If you choose to stick them in some happy mail, make somebody happy. These Chippy stickers are just a really fun element to work with. I do have my little handy dandy Tim Holtz ruler out here so we can see how big these are, because I know that that you guys are interested in that. They are various sizes. So let's just start. We're going to call this collection Smile. I really do like the and she's 2 inches by, I'm not going to measure them all, 2.5. There was something cool about like those purples and the blues all came together really, really nicely there. And then this one just has a heart. And remember, if you just see an emblem or if you see a blank sticker, then use your own word. It's a create a word, create a vibe kind of thing for you guys to do. This one's 2 inches. I so love the butterflies. My friend Judy cut those out for me. I like this girl. She's very kind of got a steampunkish aesthetic to her. She is, I can see her right there, and I might need to get a lot closer. She's about 2 inches. Hold on. Okay, everybody close your eyes. Close them. Okay, there we go. I think we got a little bit closer. There we go. Let's see. I did use some stickers. I have been hoarding these stickers hard. And that's just not nice. I want you guys to share in the beautiful things that people send to me. This has like a nighttime kind of vibe to it with the moon there and the sun at the top. I really do like the colors. Reminds me of ocean colors. This is what happens when the chippies just start to get way chippy, friends. It starts to take on a real quilted, kind of crazy quilt look to it. This has the word journal right here. Again, I made use of these. Do you remember when people used to do bottle caps? I don't remember that because that was before my time in craft world. But people used to do like altered bottle caps. So I thought that was super cool. Someone sent me these stickers and I just really do love them. This is it's got a clock face on it. Again, going back to the Tammy was hoarding these stickers really hard. Sun and moon, of course, that's my thing. We've got a little bit of ocean going on in the background right here. This has a butterfly on it, and it is glued to a rather botanical sort of background there. I like the green. We got another little seashore beachy element here. I sure do wish that I were going this year. You know, the year's not over, so let's not write it off entirely yet. Hopefully I'll get to the beach. It is my happy place. It is the place that I feel very, you know, you just gravitate to certain places, and the beach is my happy place. The beach is where I just feel relaxed, and I love the expanse of the ocean. I think it's very, it reminds me of just how expansive the whole universe is, and how we are just small elements in that big, big, wide universe. Let's call this one Recall, or Recall, whichever pronunciation suits you best. Kind of does have like an antique-ish sort of look going on here. We'll call this Recall. Of course, you've got your sticky tape on the back. This is an elephant at the circus, and of course last year, or year before last maybe, elephants were banned from being in the circus, and I think that was a good call. This one's about 2 inches here. Now it can be the number 9, it can be the number 6, whichever you want to use it as. This one got really chippy, and she has a word on her, beautiful, because chippy is beautiful, right? And there's a little bit of lace down here. I really do like the way that one came along. Again, another kind of ocean, kind of themed feel, colors. Got a little bit of sparkle on the flower here. Love that. Something about blue. I'm really gravitating to the color blue. Blue is very soothing and calming. This one has a key. Again, the blue, ocean inspired. This is seashell paper right there. Another blue, kind of bluey green. I love those teeny tiny flowers too. That's another Miss Judy contribution. This one says ticket. And that is the, what are we calling this? The Recall, or Recall package of stickers. If you hear something, there are a couple things on. My fan is on and my washing machine is on. This is Because, and this is the Because package. I like the green. Another blue-y ocean kind of vibe here. This little sticker says story. This one has a paintbrush. Maybe you're renovating a house, or the paintbrush is essential to you in your art. This little chippy sticker says believe. I'm trying to kind of see my phone and make sure that I'm in frame with you guys. This one says small. She's so cute. This one has, I forget what those bicycles are called, a penny farthing bicycle. I don't remember. It seems like it's something that has to do with a penny. This one says reach for the stars, and it has some sweet lace on it. This one goes like, oh, nope, I had it right. It says to the teacher, and it's got a clock on it on some burlap and some embossed paper right here. And school is almost out here in Virginia. It has been out in other areas. This one has a ship on it. Okay, and we're going to call this collection Because. I should have these in the store a little later on today. I am doing a bit of housekeeping today. Chris had a show. So sometimes it's good to clean when the man is out of the house. But I don't want to spend my entire evening cleaning. So I'm going to have to be careful. Because once I launch into that, that's kind of it. This one says Beautiful Day. And it has the number 7. The number 1. Really love the way this one turned out because it really does have that kind of 3D effect of this kind of being oceanic and then the horizon in the background. It says Away. This one says Voyage. It has one of those pretty butterflies on it. This one has a clock face on it. This one says Awesome. There's some Japanese mathematics right here. Our little dancer right there. I think she's so pretty. Add your own word or your own image. I've got a flower image here. And we'll round this out with the number 5. And this is the Beautiful Day collection. You get 10 Chippy stickers for $7 and $1 shipping. So I don't think that's too bad for 10 pieces of original art. Let's see if we can choose a word here. Ah, cherish. It's kind of a work in black and white. Got a seashell here with anchors. It's another clock piece. This, I like this car. It says France or Bust. This one has, whoops, a little butterfly. This one says Next. Another little butterfly here and some sparkly paper. There's something about, you know, just pop a sparkly paper that just makes things fun. It has a flower. This one says Admit 1. And this one is a flower on a pretty background. Okay, guys. These will go in the shop, like I said, a little later on today. Not sure when. I gotta get this photographed for you guys. But it should go in the shop later on this Saturday night. So, hey, if you want to do some Saturday night shopping, stop by Etsy.com/shop/Tammy Brackett Designs. There we go, my friends. Thanks a bunch, and I will talk to all of you soon. Take care. See you later. Bye.